Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Confirm the device wireless is on and airplane mode is off, because power states often mask connection issues. Once done, verify another phone or a laptop on the same network to isolate device versus network. Make sure to restart both the modem or router and your phone. Reboots clear transient faults. If you see a specific error message, remember it. That information narrows next steps. You'll move to deeper fixes after confirming these basics. You now perform targeted network repairs to resolve stubborn faults. First, renew DHCP lease and flush the DNS cache, then test connectivity by pinging 8 to separate DNS problems from routing issues. Next, update the router firmware or the device network driver, because outdated firmware commonly breaks handshakes. For cellular, reconfigure or reinstall APN settings. This restores proper carrier routing. Once done, only perform a factory reset on the router after exporting a configuration backup. You finish by isolating the remaining cause and documenting what you tried. Plug the device into Ethernet or use USB tethering to determine if Wi-Fi is the culprit. This step separates ISP outages from local wireless faults. If issues persist, collect timestamps, error logs, and firmware versions, then contact your ISP or carrier with that data so they can escalate. If everything fails, swap in a known good router or phone to confirm hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.